Hello everyone, we have job fair going on in our office in Tokyo, Osaka and Nagoya. In Tokyo from Monday to Sunday, and in Osaka and Nagoya from Monday to Friday. If you want to register yourself, please call on this number. Today I have a very good job offer for you, which is in a hotel, a hot spring hotel job. So the work is to work in reception, bed making, building, cleaning, kitchen help and front desk. Employee dormitory is also available at 30,000 yen per month, and the location is Shintogun, Shizuoka Prefecture, and the work timings are 8 hours. The salary would be 217,500, and plus the dormitory, that is 30,000, because employee dormitory is also available at 30,000 yen. So the holidays will be 2 days a week, and business level Japanese is required. So this is the form, if you can see, and register yourself soon. Thank you.